5 online transcription jobs to work from home and earn up to $50 per hour. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and that's exactly what we are going to have a look at in today's video. To find out all of the details, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more on a consistent basis. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so before we dive into these opportunities here today, make sure you watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information. And you're probably not going to get rich with these transcription jobs, so if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, you want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below at the end of this video, of course. But this is definitely one of the best opportunities to get started with, to work from home, to make some extra money online while you build your real online business there. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so a transcription job is basically very simple job to get started with. What you need is you need actually a good pair of headphones and a foot pedal, more or less. And you can find those on Amazon. I just typed foot pedal, a USB here, and you can see quickly that it doesn't cost you an arm or a leg to get one of these because it will save you time. Okay, then headphones is of course optional, how good you want to have it, but the better headphones you have, the easier you will find it, and it will also save you time so you don't have to repeat and listen to what you're going to transcribing. Alright, let's get started with opportunity number 1. Okay, the first site that we are going to have a look at is transcribeme.com. We go to the section where it says join as a transcriptionist, and you can see here they start to pay anywhere from $15 up to $22 per hour, and you can see that top monthly earnings at $2,200. Now you can see here also, as I said, that you're probably not going to get rich. The average monthly earnings are $250 because there are a lot of people that are transcribing, and there might not be so many transcription jobs available actually. So you can see here, you can check out the details for yourself. Just go to transcribeme.com. Let's move on to the next site, which is rev.com, another very popular site, and we go to the freelancers section here, so you can see freelancing jobs, work from home with Rev. Basically you can earn anywhere from 36 up to 67 cents per audio hour. So let me just fire up the calculator here, and let me put it in here. This will actually make up to $39 per hour, okay, as a transcriptionist. Now another cool thing what I like with rev.com here is that you can actually make even more as a captioner, which is pretty similar as being a transcriptionist. And even better is if you have a knowledge for a foreign language, you can see here that you can make money as a subtitler. You can actually make $1.50 or even up to $3 per audio video minute here. So check out the details at rev.com. Let's move on to the next site, which is Scribbecalm. Scribbecalm, and you can see here earn $5 up to $25 per audio hour, and of course it is a home-based job, so you can work at your own convenience here. That is what is very nice, of course, with all these kind of transcription jobs. Basically most of them also pay via PayPal, so that is another good opportunity. They do have an affiliate program here, a referral, so if you refer someone you will get 5% affiliate commissions for each transcript order placed by a referred customer here. So that is another opportunity to make even more actually. Just go to Scribbecalm to check out the rest of the details here. I'm not going to bore you. You can see the requirements. As I said, good comprehension of English, ability to interpret conversations, to apply context, PayPal account, laptop, desktop, headphone, headset. Okay, so it's not even necessary with the foot pedal, but if you're going to focus on this job, I would recommend you to get one as soon as possible. But you can definitely get started without any foot pedal here. Let's move on to the next site, which is dailytranscription.com. Dailytranscription.com. You can see here we're excited that you're interested in one of our openings. It provides services to entertainment, corporate and legal industries, as well to academic institutions. So, benefits of working with a daily transcription, the flexibility of course, you get paid weekly. We pay higher rates than our competitors. They also mention the sites here. So you can see here that the starting rates at 75 up to 85 cents per hour. Let's see what that sums up in an audio hour here. So if I just put it in here and multiply this by 60, there you have your $50 per hour. Okay, not bad at all, I would say, for 1 hour of transcriptionist. You can see here that they don't guarantee, of course, a specific amount per day week, but the top transcriptionist makes anywhere from 200 and 950 per week. So once again, proof that it's not a real sustainable online business. It's definitely a good opportunity, as I said earlier here, to make money online, to make some extra money online, but nothing that you can build a real online business on. So another reason for having a closer look at my number one opportunity right here below this video when we finish here. Okay, let's move on to the next site, which is GoldTranscript.com. So we go to the section where it says Transcription Jobs. You can see here we pay competitive rates for our online transcription jobs, up to 60 cents per audio video minute. The average earnings per month here are $150, and there is top monthly earnings as much as $1,215. Okay, all you need is a computer and an internet connection. You get paid reliably, work flexible hours, you receive great support, you choose your own projects, of course, whatever you think that you can apply for. And there is an FAQ section here as well, where to start, if you need to be experienced. Let's open this up. You can see here you don't need to have any experience, you just need to have good English skills. Okay, where to start? You must of course check the guidelines here and check out this video, of course. So do you hire outside the UK? Yes, we hire anyone worldwide, so this is definitely worldwide, and I think basically most of the sites that we had a look earlier here also, they are worldwide. So how many transcriptionists job do you have? We have plenty of jobs now. Of course, they can't guarantee you anything at all, because it really depends on how many projects come into their site here. Alright, so how will I get paid? And you have PayPal there, as I mentioned, and I think all the sites that we had a look at here today, they do pay out via PayPal also. And why are not all the shortcuts working on the GoldTranscript tool? So this is more or less small details. But what happens if I fail the test job? You can try again. So you will need to take a test job, of course, when you get started, and it goes actually for most of the sites there. What you can do is you can actually practice. You can go to a site like typing, just type typing tests, and you can see here you can go to the typingtest.com and do a 1-minute test to see how fast you can type there. Okay, alright, you can have a look at the rest of the details at GoTranscript.com. Let me give you another bonus site that you can apply for as a transcriptionist, and that is Fiverr. Basically, Fiverr is a freelance site, so you can apply for more freelance sites. You can apply for actually, let's say for example, freelancer.com, Upwork. There is tons of freelance sites that you can apply for. But Fiverr is probably one of the easiest and most popular to get started with. This is a quick look at this profile here. You can see it starts at $4.73, approximately around $5 US. She has over 1,000 jobs here. So if I have a closer look at the profile, you can see for 25 minutes you make actually 14 euros, that is around $15. But for one audio hour, 60 minutes, she actually gets 33 euros, approximately around $40 US here. So don't get fooled that you only make $5, and you can see here she has well over 1,000 orders here completed. So she has definitely made some more money, and I can guarantee you that it is not only with the cheapest one. There is I'm absolutely sure that she has made a few of these gigs here. Alright, so as I said in the beginning, this is not something that you will get rich on. It's a great opportunity to make some extra money online, but if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, I highly suggest you to actually have a look at my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. You find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. I highly suggest you to subscribe to both. Make sure you hit the notification bell also, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.